ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ?
ಹೌದು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ನಿಮ್ಮ-
ನಿಮ್ಮಂತ ಧಾರಾಳವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
Actually, some 2 days ago you were telling about Kanakadurga temple.
ಕನ್ನಡ
ಇವತ್ತು
ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಬಂತದ್ದು ಕನಕದುರ್ಗ.
ಹಾ.
ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ saw the temple today.
ಅಚ್ಚಾ ಅಚ್ಚಾ.
ಹಾಗೆ
ಅದು
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಅದು ಶ್ರೀಚಕ್ರ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆದಿಶಂಕರಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಅವರು.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಫೋನ್
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರಿ ತಾಯಿ ಗರ್ಭಗುಡಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಚಕ್ರ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಕನಕದುರ್ಗ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಕನಕದುರ್ಗ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ನಾನು ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕನಕದುರ್ಗ.
ಬಟ್ ಐ ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಂದೂಪುರ್, ಲೇಪಾಟಿ. Hindupur
is very close to Bangalore.
Close to Bangalore, yeah. I used to go weekends I used to go to Bangalore only at that time. I joined my service, I started my service in Hindupur only as a clerk.
At Syndicate Bank?
In Syndicate Bank.
Which year you joined this great bank, Syndicate Bank?
No, ಅದು 1972.
1972, KK Pai was there at that time.
KK Pai.
KK Pai is no more.
Yes.
His brother is there.
After TMA Pai, KK Pai took charge just recently.
After TA Pai?
TA Pai. After TA Pai. First TMA Pai ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ TA Pai ಬಂದ್ರು.
ಹೌದು.
TA Pai ಅವರು he was a Congress leader, you know. He was given chairmanship of LIC chairmanship.
LIC, correct.
At that time, all LIC deposits were with Syndicate Bank only.
Correct. Yogakshema. After TAPI, KKPI, then came H.N. Rao.
H.N. Rao is only a short while. Afterwards, you were Bandru.
Raghupati Rajaram, Raghupati. After Raghupati, H.N. Rao, then came Ambal Krishna Rao. He was a clean man, no corruption. Ambal Krishna Rao.
Yeah. He is very, very honest and straightforward.
And well read,
very
knowledgeable.
God-fearing.
God-fearing. After Ambal and Krishna Rao came, P.S.C. Mallaya, most corrupt fellow.
Horrible fellow. P.S.C. Mallaya, number one corrupt fellow.
Then for a short while, then came Manmohan Singh, then Tingalaya, then after Tingalaya, then one fine morning, that bloody fellow Michael Bastian came.
They brought somebody else from...
Michael was from Union Bank. Then afterwards, this VDP.
That Jain was also a fully corrupt fellow.
Who is that? DT Pai came, DT Pai.
No, prior to DT Pai, but North Indian came.
Manmohan Singh,
No, Jain, some Jain name.
Jain, then...
that fellow is awfully corrupt fellow.
KV Pai, such like your KV Krishnamurti. KV Krishnamurti, whatever it may be. So, as I told you, I'm an 89 years old man. There's a likelihood of my pension being increased.
It will be done. Correct. The only thing is, court only waiting for the next month. Most probably next month it will be decided. It should be decided.
Okay. It will be decided
from the ongoing this thing, we can strongly expect something decision will come from court.
Okay, then
but implementation part, it may take another 1 month or so.
Say by September 30th, there is a likelihood of being paid.
Yeah.
Then have you worked in Hyderabad?
Yes, I worked for 18 years till my retirement in Hyderabad only, because I was state secretary of Syndicate Bank Officers Association.
Then Parkal, KV Shenoy, you must have heard about them.
Yes, Parkal. I worked under Parkal.
Parkal, KV Shenoy.
KV Shenoy.
Parkal, Now, because of the old age, as I told you, I have lost touch of all these people. Whatever it may be, I am concerned with my subject of pension.
Yeah.
If I went to 60 days, I have to wait.
But it is only through court only we should get it. Nothing will come other than court, Supreme Court only. But orders we will get. We are sure to get. It is a matter. We are sure to get it likely from in the month of August we can expect.
Okay. Then have you got any diabetes? No problem, no?
Huh?
You got any diabetes?
No diabetes.
Okay. So bach gaye.
Only BP. Only BP.
Okay.
BP means hypertension. Necessary hypertension.
Any friends in Union Bank fraternity? You got anybody in?
Here I am not having any direct contact with anybody. Everybody through phone only. Throughout the country I am having links.
Because I told my friends here that I could succeed in getting the number of Murthy, and I am in regular touch with him. Here afterwards, I am not going to talk to the local people because I am getting.
Where you are put up now?
I am in Bangalore at BTM layout.
BTM layout. Acha.
Yes.
BTM layout means Aikub Nagar.
Yes, correct.
Where P.S. Rajgopal was there.
He is very much there.
General Secretary, previous erstwhile General Secretary of Canara Bank Officers Association.
Correct,
at that time it was Aikubu. He was State Secretary for Aikubu, Karnataka State. At the time I was working in Arsikere.
Arsikere?
Yeah. Arsikere. From I was elected as the local coordination committee member for Aikubu for Hassan district, and I used to attend meetings of Godbole and our L.V. Subramaniam.
Okay, yes.
LV.
So very kind of you, Murthy Garu. God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Okay.